What do clean books actually mean? So we say your books are ready for year end. We don't just mean that they balance. Clean books could mean that you hand them to your CPA today and use them also to make decisions. So ready for taxes, but also ready for decisions. Be able to find which properties are your best performers, what your margins are, cleaning revenue versus cleaning expense, things like that. But also, kind of getting into the nitty gritty, this means all your transactions are actually categorized. So if you're in your bank feed, that means everything, at least through the end of the year, should be recorded, whether it's a bank account, whether it's a credit card. Next big thing is reconciliation. So down here, we've got a screenshot from QuickBooks that shows the reconciliation screen. Every account should be reconciled at least monthly, definitely at year end. This is going to pick up transactions that are missing. QuickBooks is notorious for some of these issues. A bank feed could get disconnected or a credit card could get disconnected. A sub account like a new Amex or a new Chase card could get added for a new employee. And if that's not picked up, not linked into QuickBooks, those expenses might get missed. The bank and credit card reconciliation is really the best way to find those issues and make sure all your income and expenses are recorded. Couple things we also like to check, especially at year end, for those owner draws, owner investments, some of those equity accounts that people might just put some transactions in if they're not clear on those or not sure how to categorize those. We want to make sure that those really are non-business transactions. Things in there might be expenses that you made for personal transactions and you happen to use the wrong credit card. Could be funds you withdrew from the business if you've got an LLC. An owner investment might be capital that you put into the business, either for operations or for growth. But those equity accounts are ones that you want to review to make sure those are ready, those are clean. The other thing we've got in here is actually, I'm going to go to the next slide here. We're going to talk about this. Okay, areas to focus when closing your year end. So we talked a little bit about, bank reconciliations and things like that. That should be done monthly. Year end is a little bit different. We'll spend a little bit more time kind of going through the balance sheet,